Large Bunch Rap close, turn the volume up. Mama say Edu baby na me too many na me fancy ni hwa na me ankasa me na me na madwene se matom Friday be do na wo hwe me na se wo hu mi a ko bi sa me mama Joyce no betwa wo se madom biography ni me be mana komodom pem me mama fili ba ko pe na fe matin tem nya music ni si ni twa ne kwa but toda ya me steady celebrities in the ram them pem ti bo modern like if I me subscribe to me channel na ya wa said here who be bi cha me pa wuti me ka se beje wo wani kum sa wote me ka pesore na wada me show so na your friend wada maya and I do present to you the biggest YouTuber in Ghana. Share this way, hear me pana will be to me feeling for the first time. And Sunny day man, we going higher. Kobe Wing Club Beto, they won a Ghana West region in Ahin Kofi. 4th March 1994, yeah, the birthday. Is it really that young? Ghana Musimati. And you cannot mention all the biggest YouTubers in Africa without the name what the Maya Tinikwesi. Vlogging, degree as in aeronautical engineering. Check it, Rana Tressa Jumana 60 Kasem and Kabi. AKA Mr. Ghana baby, a proud village boy raised in a poor family. In a situation I just have a hustle when you be when a father died, so he wasn't so lucky. So he's basic in the secondary no corner at the same time. When your scholarship taking it to UK. But a brand of purpose and a work and a name dean someone man, I want to hear what you want to say. And when you know they called China, but then he went to Federal instead doing Shenyang University. So is there no yana course of engineering that I mentioned above? Someone say I repeat in EB. So that was in 2012. 50 years later, Penocratic channel with the name What the Maya. Obi Becca Tremor someone tears here. As a training is my mother, so we did it for the mother. So we started posting videos of experience that he had. That's a black and they thought it was so horrible. And it was underrated so many times. But I knew I wouldn't bend because the passion was so powerful. They said Africa is a war zone. They said we have none. We cannot be doing this on our own. They said nothing better comes out. But we wanna tell them that we know what we do in our home. Engineering or the Toho or started say we promote Africa to the world. He started getting followers and they didn't wanna be like anybody. And one person we in yourself. The way that we live, our culture, resource that we have, our bronipo who be that. Stories are hiding in what me yakofaba more than half of Africa now shut up. Subscribers are gaining in your more over 882,000 at the top. And currently he said making over 2.3 billion Ghana cedis in a month and they are soft. See how painful it is. Sabotage bus move with the seats empty, but the people are standing. Just because you are black and the fear trying to come close. That was about in the beginning. Large bunch.